Welcome back to this channel. Today we're making healthy carrot muffins with walnuts and apricots. We're going to need 250 grams carrots, 100 grams oatmeal, 120 grams of whole wheat flour, 60 grams walnuts, 60 grams dried apricots, 100 milliliters maple syrup or honey, 2 eggs, 80 milliliters refined vegetable oil, 120 grams of Greek yogurt, a pinch of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. We're going to start by chopping our walnuts and apricots. I like to have rather big pieces, but if you like, you can chop them finer. Then after washing the carrots, we're going to peel and grate them. Then in a big bowl, we're going to mix the whole wheat flour, the oatmeal, walnuts and apricots, the nutmeg, cinnamon, baking soda and powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk the eggs, maple syrup or honey, oil, and yogurt well. Now we're going to transfer the wet ingredients to the bowl with the dry ingredients and combine until a batter with no dry spots is formed. And lastly, we're going to fold in our carrots. Now preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius and line a 12-cup muffin tin. Now pour the batter into the muffin tin evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Take them out of the oven and cool for 5 minutes before taking out of the muffin tin and cooling completely. Enjoy!